G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the link and we're happy to help you out. Now this is a little tile raked roof that we're insulating here with cellulose fibre. By pumping the insulation in from one side, we can pump up with the hose, but just one little trick for newbies is that when you put the tiles down, you have to make sure that there's no cellulose underneath this lap, because that cellulose there will wick through and leak, and so then you'll cause a roof leak. So we want to make sure that that's cleaned right out before we close it down. Right, there we go. So